Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with a new episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got a weird one. This is Artisan Chongqing instant noodle from China. Check that out. There's like a church on there. I think that's what it is. Look at that. It's got a little dealywag. Isn't that what they call them? Dealywag on top. And this is the first show in like forever that I've had a special guest. Please welcome His Eminence, the High Holy King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Who is it? Why, of course, it's Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. How you doing, Stumpy? What are you up to today?
Oh, I've just been shopping at the local grocery store.
Ah, have you found anything that piques your interest? Have you looked on the ramen aisle?
Yeah, there was a 5-pack Sapporo Ichiban, but I'd already had that before.
Yeah.
It was only been good to me.
Oh, your volume is very low. This is not helpful.
No?
Speak as loud as you can.
Okay, how about...
Perfect. Nice and loud.
Okay.
Just yell as loud as you can in the grocery store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in the parking lot now, so it's a lot louder.
Yeah, be loud. If you can conduct the entire show while just screaming, that would be... That'd be fun. So what's new in the world of the stump?
Oh, spending time looking for jobs on the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of work out there, but no bites so far as getting any interviews for work.
Yeah.
There's a lot of available work out there.
Have you ever thought of like getting out of your comfort zone? Maybe you could be a funeral director or a funeral parlor guy.
No, that's a little too far out of my zone.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how much fun that would be.
Like work in a warehouse and stock shelves or something. Something I could do in the city. You know?
In the city!
In the city.
Yeah. The city. Very nice. So, what was the most recent thing you... What's wrong with my scissors, man? My kitchen scissors are acting up. The kitchen scissors are arthritic today. I don't know why. Oh. So, on the last episode... Oh, by the way, it comes with an included fork. On the last episode, I mentioned to my throng of followers about the fact that I was getting my flu shot and my COVID booster shot all in one fell swoop, and honestly I got a report about that really quick. So I did it. My arm is kind of sore, but I'll tell you what, I'm walking on sunshine and my cell phone reception is great from all the 4G or 5G in the vaccine. I don't know how they do it. Congratulations to Pfizer and those guys online. They swear to God that they put 5G in the vaccine. I don't know how they do that. It's a frequency. It's radio frequency. How do you do that? Do you know how to put frequency spectrum into something? Uh-oh. Cross that street, sir.
I know, it's really loud. Sorry.
It's difficult, I understand. Alright, now I'm going to add the water to the cup, to the line, and I'm going to guess it's 4 or 5 minutes. Where's that line? And of course, it doesn't tell you how long, so I'm going to go with 5 minutes. Damnable. Right there. And we put a lid on it and we get it right out of the way. I'm currently doing dishes, so that's what that extra ambient noise is in the background. So, what else is going on? You had an inspection? Was that fun?
Yeah, I had a housing inspection, and I had to show what problems were existing in my apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's basically a hole in the ceiling from where the bathtub upstairs leaks into the one downstairs.
That sucks.
My bathtub. But you know, if you're going to have a leak, it's good to have a bathtub drain under it, right?
There is that, yeah. I mean, we had an apartment that it had a leak in the ceiling in our bedroom, and they came over and made the hole bigger. And the landlord lady there, she was all like, well, it's just like cosmetic, right? It's not really causing a problem. It's like, yeah, it's an issue. That was when my wife was pregnant, you know. It's like, we don't want rotting ceiling and mold coming down on my pregnant lady.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucked. I mean, that we like had to like end our lease early and deal with a whole bunch of BS, and they were like absolute dickwads about it. But you're on the whole veteran thing, so they should be treating you right, man. That's jacked up. It's like,
yeah, but now the inspector went through and he's addressing it with the manager. So I think things will get fixed.
I hope so.
Yeah. And I'll get a new dishwasher out.
Yeah, it's been a year. I think it's clearly been at least a year.
Yeah.
I think the last time you were on this show, you were complaining about it had been like 6 months since you tried to get a new dishwasher. And I think the last time you were on this show is like, it's been close to a year. So
yeah, close to a year. Right?
God. It's ridiculous. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't set my timer. I'll give it 3 minutes. But not a minute more. Yeah. Oh, shuffle. Shuffle on. So now you're into the football, and we're almost done with the baseball over here.
Yeah, I keep track of the pro football NFL.
Yeah, I can't. I just don't. I don't do that. Not my thing. I just can't get with football.
Yeah, to each their own.
Yes, yes. To each. But yeah, we lost last night, so as predicted, we're going to a Game 5 for the National League Division Series. So we'll win tonight. We'll clobber the Dodgers, but we'll do it. No, we're not playing tonight. Today's a travel day. So we'll play in San Francisco, win the Division Series in San Francisco, then go on to the Championship Series, probably win that in Atlanta because we're going to be playing the Braves. And then we'll go to the World Series and clobber whoever's there, and then that'll be that. It's predestined. It's like this team will win the World Series. It's pretty hard for them not to. It's
right.
Yeah, it's the density. That'll happen. It is written.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm drinking the new Coca Cola new zero sugar cola drink. I mean, what frickin' flavor is cola? What flavor is that?
I don't know, but it has a caramel color.
It sure does. It's pretty good. I like it, but it's just not. It's not like a thing.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a thing. Yeah. I had leftover yakisoba from the teriyaki joint we went to last night called Ichiban Teriyaki, located in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, with a very, very curious dining area. It's like they literally spent $0 on the mood, on the atmosphere of that place. But I kind of like that. It's basic. It's just like a checkerboard floor with light and dark brown checkers. And there's chairs, wooden tables. That's it. There's nothing else is going on. I mean, it is really, really, really not crazy in there. There's not a lot, but it's nice. I still can't believe the salad that came with it, because when you get teriyaki or yakisoba at a joint like that, usually the salad is like wilted and funky. It was crisp. And the dressing, it wasn't like snot. It was really impressive. I enjoyed it thoroughly. That's why I'm giving a thumbs up to Ichiban Teriyaki of Kenmore, Washington. What do you think of that?
I love myself some teriyaki, so I
Yeah.
bet it was really good.
There is our broth. I'm gonna sip on it. Heavy on the Szechuan pepper, but not so heavy it's gross. Nice oiliness. Look, we've got a thinner noodle here. I like the look of the noodle. I like how the noodle is looking at me. I don't feel threatened by the noodle. Hydrated well. Yeah. That is a good Chinese flower pot noodle. I call them flower pots because that's just kind of like what they make me think of. Alright, let's pour this in here. I thought this bowl was brown and it's blue. I think it's blue. I'm really not good with primary colors anymore. We'll put some, can you even see? Yeah, you can see. Put a little bit of chicken on top. Like that. We're gonna take a little bit of the broth and wash it over the chicken. There we go. And we're gonna use some of this fine wholly sliced spring onion. Scallion, if you will. Huh?
I love that holy slicer, man. That's quite the machine you got there.
I love it. Yeah, it's a joy to use every day. Cleanup is a breeze. There we go. A little extra sesame seed. Even though this does have sesame seed to begin with. And I think we're gonna do a little glob of Laogan Ma spicy chili crisp. Because I need to use this stuff, it's getting old. So I haven't seen it yet, but it looks like the top 10 Taiwan list has made it onto Taiwanese TV at this point, which is fun. I like that. Oh. All right. Well, it's time for Rotato to work its special magic. Bananas! Bananas in the way. I think that's pretty good. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's a Chinese variety. This one's a Taiwanese variety. This is Noodle. It's internet ready. The internet ready flat noodle, soy sauce flavor from Taiwan. So you gonna make it and hang out for another show, dude?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, people, wait for it.